You've been told to mulch your garden every season, but what if I told you there's a way to never mulch again? Just scatter 2 secret seeds, and your garden will protect, feed, and transform itself. Stick around because the results at the end will blow your mind. I tested this on 3 patches of dead-looking soil, and one of them turned into this, lush, green and buzzing with life, with 0 mulch. Let's reveal how. I started this experiment mid-summer when mulch prices went through the roof. Instead of buying bags, I grabbed 2 humble seed packs, clover and buckwheat. Both are called living mulches, nature's secret protectors. Clover locks nitrogen from the air into your soil. It's like free fertilizer. Buckwheat grows lightning fast, shading out weeds and trapping moisture. Together, they build a living carpet that cools your soil, feeds microbes, and invites pollinators. No straw, no bark, just nature doing its job. After 30 days, this patch had 70% fewer weeds, soil that stayed moist even in 90 degrees of heat, and earthworms everywhere. Compare that to my mulched bed, dry, crusty, and lifeless. I was shocked. The trick with clover? Use the micro clover variety. It stays short, soft, and doesn't choke your main crops. It's like a natural green carpet that feeds your garden all year. And buckwheat, plant it between harvests. It grows in 3 weeks, pulls minerals from deep soil layers, and when it dies back, it becomes compost right where it stands. 0 effort. This one tiny patch produced double the tomato yield just because of these 2 seeds. No mulch, no fertilizer, no watering nightmare, just cloverpod buckwheat, offer its magic. So here's your challenge. Scatter these 2 seeds this weekend, and come back in 30 days to tell me what happened. I'll feature your results in the next video. Deal? Forget the old way of gardening. This is how we let nature do the heavy lifting. Like, share, and subscribe if you're ready to make your garden self-sustaining.